prices which has been increased for electricity, sir.
See,
36 paise.
earlier 2002, there was a Karnataka Electricity Board was there. There were about 30,000 employees were there in those days. Then 2002, we had made new ESCOMs. It may be the BESCOM, ESCOM, itara ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. No, it was created. That time, we have to give the pension and gratuity fund. That's why it was kept pending for a long time. Not in our government. It was there in the earlier government also it was there. Because there was a High Court stay was there. The FKCC people, they went to the High Court. They requested not to put on the consumers. But now High Court ruled in favor of the thing, ESCOMs. They can charge whatever the dues for the pension and the other thing, they can charge from the consumers. That's what the thing. And KERC has passed the order. It is not the government order. The KERC has passed the order. Yeah, this is a statutory the thing. It is a statutory body. They'll decide after hearing everybody, all interested parties, they will take a decision. They are taking a decision. I have not seen the order. Just I'll go through it and I'll react.
Sir, is the government also contemplating to introduce a smart meter? And are you going to make the consumers to buy that smart meter? Will you charge them, sir?
See, all over India, it is the government of India's the central government decision. It is the decision of the Central Electricity Authority and the various things. Direction to change all the existing meters to the smart meters. We got a direction, at least for the new connections and temporary connections, we are told that we will make it as a smart meters. In the future, it is a very good thing. That's what we are called for a tender and we are given for this new connections and the temporary connection, we are given the order.
So not for everybody, the smart meter will
No, we are not for, only for the new connections and temporary connection, we are going to do this smart meter.
Would Jyoti users in any way?
No. So all the thing, tariff on the Grah Jyoti will be paid by the government. Grah Jyoti consumer, it won't affect them.
Sir, BJP is challenging that Congress government put all burden on government.
You see, this one, what this has happened, that is the BJP time also, it was arrears was there. Now we have to pay the arrears, Pension, whenever we are retiring, we have to give the benefit for them. That's why we request to the KRC. KRC has passed the order.
Thank you. Sir, Mike.